number 11 wants us to rewrite in terms of the first power of cosine. So just like number 10 was kind of a long problem, this one is the same. Again, it's very important for calculus to rewrite in terms of just the first power of cosine. It makes the rest of the problem easier. So for cosine of 4, or I should say cosine to the fourth power of 3 theta, I'm going to break this up into cosine squared of 3 theta times cosine squared of 3 theta. So just like if you have, I don't know, like 5 to the fourth, you could break this up into 5 squared times 5 squared. Or if you had x to the fourth, it could be x squared times x squared. So you're allowed to expand that. So then I'm doing that because I want to do the identity twice. So let's use the identity twice. So that's going to be 1 plus cosine of 6 theta over 2 times 1 plus cosine of 6 theta over 2. And then I want to FOIL the tops. So that's going to be 1 plus cosine of 6 theta plus cosine of 6 theta plus cosine squared of 6 theta all over 4. So if I combine those middle terms, it's going to be 1 plus 2 cosine of 6 theta plus cosine squared of 6 theta all over 4. Okay, so we're doing good. I need to use the identity again on this part. So again, I'm trying to get all cosine of the first power. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like super windy out. Anyway, it's 1 plus 2 cosine of 6 theta plus 1 plus cosine of 12 theta. Almost running out of room there. And then that's all over 4. So I'm just replacing that cosine squared. Okay, so I want to really get rid of this fraction here. And I can do that by multiplying everything by the LCD of 2. So my LCD is 2. So if I multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply this by 2, or you can put 2 over 1, multiply this by 2, then this will become 2 plus 4 cosine of 6 theta plus 1 plus cosine of 12 theta all over 8. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that parentheses now. So this is equal to 2 plus 4 cosine of 6 theta plus 1 plus cosine of 12 theta all over 8. And then the 1 and the 2 can be combined. And I'm going to go to the next slide. So that'll be 3 plus 4 cosine of 6 theta plus cosine of 12 theta all over 8. I'm losing my voice because the problem's taking so long. Or you can give the 8 to each of those terms. So you could write it as 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8, which will reduce to 1 over 2 cosine of 6 theta plus 1 over 8 cosine of 12 theta. So either way, so that's our answer. Again, there's no exponent, so everything is cosine to the first power. We do have coefficients on the inside, so like we have a 6 theta and a 12 theta, but there's no exponents. So this, again, will be very helpful in calculus.